Welcome back. I'm trying to replace the battery on Smart Glow Exergen thermometer. And in the back, here's where you are going to remove the back panel. And just simply, according to the direction, simply press down and push down, okay? Just press down and push down the back plates. But some reason it's not working properly, okay? It's not working out here. So here's a shortcut for you. Get a little plier. I'm gonna expand it like so. And I'm just go ever so gentle, okay? Don't go too hard. I'm just gonna go gently, push down right here. Don't break it. Okay, now it's gonna come out. So again, just make sure be careful, gently, and simply just replace this battery. That's it. I hope this video helps. See you next time.